Hello everyone, here's a good example on how to do inequalities. Now these are linear inequalities. We are not actually using them on any of the coordinate plane, so the graphing is usually done on a number line. But anyways, regardless, you do have a question which is noted with black color here. So let me use my highlighter. So 3 brackets x minus 2, so that's 3 times x minus 2, greater than negative 15. So you need to find a solution that fits into this inequality. Now before you do that, I just want to remind you some important prior knowledge things that you need to know. You can solve any inequality using algebraic solving equations method. But when it comes to signs, you need to know APK is your activating prior knowledge. So this is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, that's what we call it, less than or equal to. And when we are using just a single number line, for this one, we usually use an empty circle. Empty circle, that means that particular value is not included. But whereas if we have these symbols, that means those values are included. So I'm going to draw the solution on a number line for this one. But I have done math-moji concept. Check out the other videos for that. But this is just a quick activating prior knowledge. And if you know the 5 golden rules that I keep talking about solving algebra, that also is quite helpful. Now you see 3 is multiplied with x and negative 2. So this is distributive property, but I've been using it as rainbow technique because of the arch that it forms. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So for now, if you're confused, you can remove the symbol and use an equal sign and just solve this equation, and we can introduce a symbol at the end. So what you notice is 3x minus 6 is greater than negative 15. Move numbers to the right. So negative 6 can be cancelled only by introducing a positive 6. So whatever you do on one side, you got to do it on the other. So plus 6 plus 6. So 3x is equal to negative 9. Now you're going to divide both sides with 3. So x is greater than negative 3. But remember, if for any reason it was if you would have been dividing this with a negative number, then you would have flipped the symbol. But since it was just a positive 3 that we are dividing, don't change the symbol. Now when you are drawing your number line, make sure you have a number line. 0, you can show some negative numbers so that we get perspective. Now negative 3 is somewhere here. So as I said, if the symbol is just that, you're going to show an empty circle. And x is greater than negative 3. So that means you're going to highlight the numbers that are above negative 3. So going this way. So this is how you would have achieved solving this inequality. Alright guys, check out some other videos on inequalities that I have done. But this is a good example. It covers a lot of information on solving inequalities. Thanks again. Thanks for watching guys. Bye-bye.